Good day everyone, welcome back to Sonia Space, and in this video I'm going to be showing you two different recipes that helps to cleanse the intestine and help us to lose weight in just 3 days. So if you are interested in how to make this recipe, I want you to keep watching. The first recipe is a smoothie that is made from ginger, orange, lemon, apple, and carrots. This smoothie is loaded with nutrients, vitamins, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties, as well as properties that helps to prevent disease, bacterial, and viral infections, including cancer, type 2 diabetes. This smoothie helps to cleanse our intestine and liver. So this smoothie is very good for our system. It is worth adding to our daily diets. So friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I think this is the right time for you to subscribe. So please subscribe and like this video. You know, the ingredients used in this super drinks, that is ginger, orange, lemon, apple, and carrots. You know, they have very good properties. You know, they are very beneficial to our body. They contain antioxidants, they contain anti-inflammatory properties that helps to wash out, that helps to flush out toxins from our body. The combination of these superfood ingredients, you know, help us to eliminate toxins from our body, cleanses our body, and make our body as good as new. They also help us to poop out, you know, what all the unwanted stuff from our body. They help us to have a very good poop, and as a result we end up losing weight in just 3 days. Can you imagine that? This is indeed a miracle drink that you will never regret adding to your daily diet. So friends, I want you to try this recipe. I want you to try for yourself and see the wonder that it will do to your body. I have been using this recipe, I have been taking this recipe, and it has done me well. That is why I am sharing it with you, because I know that if you also try it for yourself, it will indeed also, you know, do you well. So friends, this next recipe is a secret recipe, you know, that helps us to stay healthy and also help us to maintain strong bones, you know, without getting sick. This drink is an energy drink as well as an immune boosting drink. So if you're looking for ways to improve your immune system and bone health, then this video is a must watch for you. The ingredients used for this super drink are pineapples, apples, ginger, and lemon. You know, these items have antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that helps to boost our immune system, helps weight management, and also help us to poop out waste, you know, out of our system, thereby ensuring a healthy and proper functioning system. So if you are looking for ways, you know, to help balance your system, if you are looking for ways to boost your immune system, if you are looking for ways, you know, to have a very healthy body, then this drink is a must for you. You have to add this drink to your daily consumption, and you will be very glad that you did. So these two recipes that I am showing you in this video, they are very good to help you lose weight fast, to help to boost your immune system. They also give us lots and lots of energy. The benefits of this drink, they are just countless. You will never go wrong adding this drink to your daily diet. So the combination of this pineapple, apple, lemon and ginger, combining them together into a very, very healthy drink, the benefits are numerous. The benefits, that you are going to get from it, they are uncountable. So I want you to try this recipe, and you will be very, very glad that you did. Because these items, they are power packed, they help to flush our toxins from our body. They are very, very, very good. I have been using it, I've been taking these recipes, and they have been very, very good to me. They have helped me to lose weight and also helped me to poop very, very well. And they have also helped my immune system. They have helped me my general well-being. So that is why I'm sharing it with you, so that it can also help you. So friends, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will always share more helpful videos that will help boost your health and your immune system. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.